Welcome to you all. The topic of discussion is function or map.
I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. Bread up and down, bread up and down, right, bread up and down, open.
It is very important concept in mathematics, function, and function is a very frequently used word. We say that all the operators are based on functions. So, first of all, we shall define a function. Function is a special type of relation from one set to another set such that each element of the first set is related to unique element of the second set. Unique element of the second set. Definition. Of map. A relation or a relation from set A to set B is a map if each element of domain A is related to unique element of codomain set. Each element is related to unique element of codomain set B. Here there is emphasis on the each element of domain and unique assignment of each element. It means no element of domain A is free, each one has to be mapped and the image is unique and the image is unique. It means no one element of A is free and each one is assigned to unique image. Each one is assigned to unique image. There is unique assignment of each element अंडर द मैप. मैप के अंडर में यूनिक असाइनमेंट इज नीडेड. यूनिक असाइनमेंट इज नीडेड. ओके. एग्जाम्पल. F from set of natural number to set of integer defined as fx is equal to x square. Each natural number has unique square. Each natural number has unique square. Therefore, f is a map. We denote a map f from A to B. If the domain and codomain are number sets. If the domain and codomain are number sets, then F is a map. Then F is called function. If the domain or codomain has numbers as well as objects, if domain and codomain, domain or codomain has numbers and objects, then F is map. Example, A बराबर set of countries, B is equal to set of currencies. Each country has a currency, so this is a mapping. This is not a function, this is a mapping. India rupees, Bangladesh taka is a map. There are many types of maps. There are many types of maps. First one is onto map. There are many types of maps. First one is surjective mapping. Surjective mapping or onto mapping. Surjective mapping or onto mapping. A map F from A to B is onto mapping if for each y element of B there exists x element of A such that fx is equal to y, such that fx is equal to y. That is image set of f under image set of A under f is B. This map is onto mapping. Second one is 1-1 mapping. Second one is 1-1 mapping or injective mapping. Injective map or 1-1 mapping. In a general map, many elements can have common image, but in the one injective mapping, each element has unique image as well as each image has unique pre-image. if there is mapping and x is mapped to y, this one is pre-image, this one is image. Injective, a map f from A to B is injective mapping if fx is equal to fy implies x is equal to y. Example, f from n to n. N is set of natural numbers. N to n is set of n to n is defined as fx बराबर x square is 1 map, but g from z to z, g from z to z, where z is set of integers, z is set of integers and gx comma is many one map. Set of natural numbers n 1 2 3 4 so on. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 9. But in the set of integers z, 0 minus 1 1 minus 2 plus 2 and so on. दो दूना 2 2 जा 4, minus 2 and plus 2 are mapped at the same point. 1 and minus 1 are mapped to same point, the many one 1 1. Therefore, in both examples the definition of the map is same, fx is equal to x square, but the nature is different because of the domain and codomain. So, the nature of map depends upon domain, codomain and definition of the map. Therefore, nature of map depends on domain, codomain and definition of the map. Third category of the map is bijective map. Third one is bijective mapping. The map that is 1 1 as well as onto map. Third one is 1 1 onto map or bijective map. 1 1 onto or bijective map. A map f from A to B such that f is first, f is 1 1. That is fx बराबर b onto. For every y element of b, there is x element of a such that fx is equal to y. and it is remarkable fact that inverse map exists only for the bijective maps. It is fact that if f from A to B is bijective map, then there exists a map f from B to A such that f inverse, this one is, there exists a map f inverse such that f inverse y बराबर x if and only if fx is equal to y, if and only if fx is equal to y. It means f inverse is called inverse map of f. Here f inverse is a map from B to B, is identity map on x on A, and f inverse OF from A to A is identity map on capital A. That is why composition of map with its inverse map is an identity mapping. So, in this discussion we have observed that only those relations in which each element of the set, first set, is uniquely assigned to the elements of the another set. In the function, no element of the domain can be free, the elements of codomain can be free, and if no element of codomain is free also, then the map is onto mapping, and if at least there exists a pair of element having common image, then map is many one. So, onto map 1 1, and last category is many one mapping. Many one mapping, many one mapping, many one mapping. A map f from A to B such that there exists at least one pair of elements of capital A having same image, This is called the many one mapping. So, this is the basic concept about the mapping, and in the next discussion we go to the some deep facts about the mapping. Mapping are very essential tool in the computer science, engineering, as well as all disciplines of the science and humanity. Thank you.
Zombie apocalypse.